coeducation is really at the forefront of preparing a locally skilled workforce, ensuring that all our students are college and career ready. This training provides the job-specific skills that they need, as well as employability skills, critical thinking, collaboration, and communication. The CTE Fund was founded in 2012 as an economic development initiative in Sonoma County to expand and enhance these programs to ensure that they align with the economic development needs of our county and meet local employer demands. Let's take a look at the impact the CTE Fund is already having.
When I came to high school my freshman and sophomore year, there was no auto class or wood shop class or anything to do, and when MAPE came around, it's like it packs all of it into one.
This program is very important because there are certain kids like me who know that they're hands-on. It's kind of like a wood shop or metal shop, and then you just throw math into it. You apply vocabulary in your English class, and then you can apply this to your engineering class.
Through the program, I've had experiences, not only hands-on experiences with the mechanical aspect of building things, but after we were able to build the simple machines and understand how they worked, we moved on later into the year, and I had experience with actually programming and coding, writing the code.
The Farm to Table program is a basic overview of agriculture, and we learned how to grow produce, how to cook with the produce, and then how to sell it.
I've been learning about Inkscape and how to use the laser cutter and about how the whole process of a project goes from the beginning to the end.
So what we've learned in this class is how to use various designing methods to help reach the final product.
We have what we call Edison moments in this class, and the idea is that students embrace these moments when they fail. They absolutely fall flat on their face. And these are the times where actually usually we learn the most. And the idea is we're trying to undo the last however many years of learning a lot of these students have, where they've been fed the right answer and there's one right answer, but really getting them to take chances and embrace these failures.
A lot of the challenges were just testing and failing and starting over, starting from scratch, stripping the entire thing down, restarting, rewriting our code.
There's a lot of opportunities through it too. Engineering, it helps a lot with that. There's tons of jobs out there that you can go into from learning what you learned in a MAPE class that can excite you.
This class, I think, really is all about work ethics and also how to work with others.
What I enjoy the most about the class is the fact that the freedom and the creative projects that come out of kids who have access to incredible tools that I never had access to when I was a kid, or it's really tough to get access to anywhere actually. Laser cutters, vinyl cutters, 3D printers.
My favorite part is just getting it on paper and then going through the steps, and then once I have the final product, I can just look. This started as a blank piece of paper and just a thought in my head.
I created a xeriscape type insectary, which is low water plants, and seeing if they would attract beneficials to get rid of the pests in our garden, and then comparing it to the amount of beneficials that would be attracted with a regularly watered garden.
Because of this class, I have gotten to see various types of industry and how this subject can actually be applied in real-world situations.
I feel like this class, it's kind of different because you have a deadline, you have stuff you need to do. It kind of teaches you that thought. So if you ever decide to go into that sort of business, you have the experience of what to do. You finish a project, you start, do all the work and then finish it. We get a ton of projects done. It's not just another class. You get great experience from it.
Most students deal with projects that take days. We took projects that lasted for a month, and students had to actually extend this and manage their time and take these failures and learn how to apply them to create a proper solution, which is what we do in the real world.
Really, we're a bunch of kids that are ready to learn more, and we know that we can't know everything, and that this is just huge and it's bigger than us, and we love to be a part of it.